Hello. I truly believe that we get tired sometimes because of the work that we have, because of the challenges that we encounter in our day-to-day life. I know it's not easy, but we have to consider because of our motivation, because of our inspiration, we are keeping ourselves moving. We are getting what we wanted in life. Kasi yun naman yung importante eh, na masaya ka at makuha mo yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. Pamilya lang naman yung rason bakit tayo nandito. Ikaw ba? Ano ba yung rason mo? What's your purpose? Kasi ako, simple lang naman ako eh. Yung makatulong sa pamilya ko, yung maiahon ko sila sa kahirapan. Kasi ito yung reason bakit ako nandito eh. Ito yung reason bakit until now I'm still kicking. I just really want to support them financially. At saka, alam ko naman in the future, nobody can help us. Nobody will take good care of us when we are elder. Kaya, for now, I'm trying to invest something para in the future, hindi naman ako mahihirapan. Kasi, nakikita ko sa mga OFW natin before, na ngayon, sa katandaan nila, naghihirap sila. Usually, kasi una, walang naipon, walang na-invest. So, yun lang. Mag-invest ka in the future para sa sarili mo at tumulong sa pamilya mo. Ikaw ba? Saan ka pumunta?